You've seen my YouTube channel reach 400 subscribers. Well, my main channel to be more specific. And with that, I'm opening the 8th Club Discord server. So welcome to this new server I created. It's been in development for 4 years. That's why it was kept closed out as a result. And before I can begin, back to the topic. Here are the rules, and then there's every single channel divided into a category of 8, or 8 channels per one category to be more specific. And here's the series listings. You've got the flagship general, which focuses on my flagship project. You've seen it before, you've seen the trailer. Hope you will watch it again and visit the flagship project's YouTube channel. Les Technologies. You've got everything related to tech. Monochrome recreations. If you have a phone that has a monochrome display, send it over and I will try to recreate it, or hire someone to recreate it for me. Then you got the music finders, which is where the channel is located to let him know about which soundtrack he desires to use in future videos. He'll post music challenges to set a goal, which people over at the 8th Club try and scatter themselves to find a desired track. And then a bonus role is awarded for being a musical developer. All the voice guarding process is basically like the gaming channel, except for completionists. Major focus announcements are basically a proprietary only channel. I haven't set this up just yet. Moving on into the famous invasion, and if you're interested in the famous invasion, aka the Russian invasion of Ukraine, this is the right place for discussion. In order to actually attain the role here, you have to request Jägersplit and Laudenboomer, yes, that's how you pronounce it, to be rewarded to you. And of course, we have the Misk channel, the miscellaneous stuff. Here's some minor projects of mine, including upcoming ones. Voice channels. You've got voice channel auxiliary, which is the tertiary voice chat discussions. And then inside the voice channel looking thing here, which I can't even determine the name here. Here is the secondary discussion, and the primary discussion is when you use your voice to interact with everybody. And then you've got some other channels out there. So discussion, you've got general, your typical little general channel here. Games, which is the gaming channel. Off topic, which is where topics that are not discussed within the 8th Club are located there. Artworks, pretty much self-explanatory. Bots, also explanatory. Vent is like the serious channel, where people can argue with everyone in all perspectives. Then you've got the frick posting. Yes, I said frick posting instead of the F word. It's basically a meme channel, to be more specific. And then you've got this little channel, which I'm not really sure what to do with it, but you can have fun with this little bot over here. Damn, the new icon? What? I just realized now. But anyway. And back to the general info category, which is also divided into 8 channels. You got the owner role, the proprietaire, acting proprietaire, admins. They have all privileges of both moderator and Redva Guardia, plus some bonuses applied. Then you've got the moderator, Mods of the 8th Club, they have the ability to moderate to a certain degree. Raid guards, aka the Raid Guardia, they have the ability to ban people who violate the rules and have a similar level of protection as Moderator. Chancellor is for the people who have access to the archives. Beta testers invited to become the beta testers of the 8th Club. If enough modifications are made with Nash Izumrud's advisors, they can become moderators and become friends as well. Game developer, Nokia Classics Collection, basically people who love developing games. Flagship story reader, to have interest in my flagship project, the Tournament World Rundown. Negative side, basically, is a role that people who love arguments and try to become toxic become use. Warning, dangerous role, use it at your own risk. Yeah, you have to avoid this role at all costs. This is basically the only role that will allow you to get access to the vent channel. Yoga Split the Lawton Boomer is the role who people have interest in watching the famous invasion, aka the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Musical Explorer are people who love to search obscure songs that are scrambled across the web. This role is attained when you successfully find a song for me. Winner gets a bonus roll colored in barium. Yes, that color exists. And then you've got the Meme Lord role, which basically people who love to make animated videos and have interest in making them, basically a meme role. Hint provider, you need to be a partner role or higher to advise me on what to do. Commodores, a role for bots, is named after the Commodore computers like Commodore 64, VIC-20, Amiga, whatever else. And then you've got the connection roles. You see hi friend, partner, neutral, guest. These are all of the positive roles, and then you've got 3 negative roles: criminal, threat, and strike to the point. These roles are dangerous, especially strike to the point. And then you've got the wing roles. These set of roles depends on the person's viewpoint when it comes to arguments. There are 11 levels, ranging from extreme left at level 1 to complete center being the neutral level, and extreme right being the last level. These are based in the world of politics, where they can be parties ranging from left wing to right wing and so on. And then you've got the other roles like Nash subscriber, extra subscriber, normal user, wanderer. This is basically a role where it was awarded for just visiting the 8th club and not posting any messages. If you post enough messages, then you can become the normal user. And then you got Apple and Android, which basically depends on which of the main phones is made by Apple or any other brand, like Samsung, for example. Announcements. Basically, your announcement channel. I will be announcing what kind of changes will be coming to the 8th club. Video uploads. Basically, a channel where I will be uploading the videos on my main channel, the Extras channel, and soon to be open to TWR channel, which already opened a month ago. Role updates. Basically, a channel where I will be updating a person's role, which you guess what? Feedback. Basically, if you have any problems with the 8th club, this is the channel you would want to visit. And then you've got server problems to discuss what kind of problems this server faces. And that's about it. Hopefully you'll join the 8th club via a Linkin Descript. Yes, that's how you pronounce it, Linkin Descript. Basically, my version of Linkin Description. And hopefully you'll have fun with the 8th club. Hey, so editor Nash here. I just realized that I haven't talked about the emojis. This is what the emoji set would look like, ranging from the Virapirus weapon, which yesterday was the magenta day, so I had to add that. Then you've got teal pointing at something. And then you've got my shade gems, like tan, magenta, blue, gray, and so on. Breaking out the genius. And of course, you've got my cat, Lyra. You've seen her in the Mark II project, example event show episodes. And then you've got some of the other stuff that I'm not gonna mention here, so here you go. In the meantime, I will be editing example event show episode 5, which is the Race to the Bull event, which will soon to be released on August 15th. So hopefully you'll join Example One Show's final episode before the finals arrive. And soon to be released, the Motorola Startup and Shutdown Sounds video. I know some person wants to have the Motorola Startup and Shutdown Sounds video to be released, however, give me enough time and I'll be developing it. I expect to release this sometime in November once all of the data has been researched on the Motorola phones. In that case, thanks for watching. See you in Example 1 Show episode 5.